In this video, how to protect your liver while on testosterone replacement therapy. Welcome to this channel. If you want to learn more about the most cutting-edge science-based information in the world of hormone optimization, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Once in a while, in our Facebook group with the same name as this YouTube channel, we get this typical question, how to protect the liver while on TRT. I was the one to respond first with the question, why would you think the liver needs protection from physiological testosterone levels anyway? And the one that asked the question replied, 200 milligrams a week is about double of what a normal male makes. That would be about 8 to 10 milligrams of test if my reading is right. But my reaction is always, we don't use TRT for certain dosages or to reach certain levels of total testosterone or free testosterone in the blood. We use TRT to make our symptoms of low testosterone disappear, whatever dosage one needs a week. Some people need dosages of 100 milligrams a week, others use 200 or even 300 milligrams a week to reach levels that make their low T symptoms disappear. I asked him, have you watched any of our videos? And then he replied, so what about 2000 milligrams a week? Would that damage the liver? I asked, why would you be interested in 2000 milligrams anyway? So I suspect that the one that asked the question is not talking about TRT, but about using supraphysiological steroid cycles. Someone replied with a good joke, don't fry the liver for too long and use a lot of butter. Someone else said, put down the Jaeger and walk away. Someone else just told it like it was, by doing the same things you were doing before TRT to protect the liver. Others said NAC and or milk thistle. And someone else suspected, as I did, he might be running big cycles. And someone else asked a bit of the same thing, what is your TRT protocol? Orals? Testosterone is a natural human hormone and does not affect the liver. Further, most things that do not affect the liver are consumed orally, like food. For example, one compound that affects liver negatively is alcohol. Others said, NAC is what I take, it's what hospitals use when people fuck themselves up by taking too much Tylenol. A good question there, protect the liver from what? Others said, I take NAC and alpha-lipoic acid for general support, but not because of TRT. I took it periodically even before TRT. And of course, TRT is testosterone. Testosterone is bioidentical to what you were born with. Testosterone is not liver toxic. Some of the oral anabolic steroids are, but that's not TRT since those aren't the same as testosterone. If your liver enzymes are high, then you can take NAC, but you should figure out why they are high if they are. Of course, SARMs can be hard on the liver for some people, also oral anabolic steroids, also Tylenol, paracetamol, alcohol, but not testosterone replacement therapy. Someone gave us some advice, eat a decent and nutritious diet, drink minimal alcohol, and testosterone has nothing to do with the above. Someone shared, protect from what? My liver values are the best they've ever been on TRT. And let's conclude with the words from our friend Gil T. Unless you're using some peroral administration, what makes you think this is metabolized in the liver? So for everyone on TRT, don't worry about the liver. If you're taking oral anabolic steroids, that is something else.